Okay guys, you're here with Mr. Cool Auto Fix. Today we are rebuilding this Audi body work. A lot of things going down, so there have been a lot of too many bundle that people the previous Tex paint shop got here, so we got to scrape that out so it can be, we're just left with nothing but bare bones, so we can start afresh. Like up here, be able to hit this thing so that the plastic can be able to bend inside, not to shoot outside, so we don't have to impute a lot of bundle right there. So you can see a lot of different, layers upon.
Auto fix. Auto fix. Auto fix. Auto fix. Auto fix. Hello pal, this is Dr. Cool. Auto fix. Auto fix. Hello pal, this is Dr. Cool. Auto fix. Auto fix.
the outcome of the full painting that we did, the Audi A4 car review.
Yes.
And you might be surprised, we did this whole thing without the paint.
Come here, man.
We have a lot of setbacks, such as the air compressor that we use. It was getting later than time. It doesn't pump air faster. So when I look at the overall result, I wasn't so disappointed. Okay, we're still gonna be working on it, and not quite bad for my first painting. And our own ideal paint is going to be having a matte black on top. We'll try that out. If it fits very well, then we'll leave it, but if it doesn't, then we have to just get another gloss of black to it. Now, something of to actually do a little bit of rush work here, and I can see my own flaws. And the reality there is we didn't have a lot of things that are out of place that we're trying to get as soon as possible. So, but the overall result is really, really good. Though I'm not completely satisfied with it. The reality there you have to understand is that painting a car is more like an art work. You can't get it done completely. You know, you just postponed it. Yeah, that's the big shark. So that's how we rebuild a car from scratch to the finishing. It looks very, very awesome. In fact, anybody who owns Audi A4 is gonna be feeling like, come on guy, get my car rebuilt to this, you know? It's really feel good and looks good. And I think that is the main idea of rebuilding the car in the first place. Okay guys, so you can see the finishing of the Audi A4. Again, rebuilding. It's incredible, isn't it? We made it. There's a big shark right there, guys. A big shark. A big shark.